the crest that we're going to do buckle for Patricia Cornwell. And I've got some great ideas, but I've got to go over this with you because whoa, there's some stonework in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total carvings just to get the snakes. I basically see what it is that I don't want in a stone to come up with what it is I do want. So my art is a negative art. I'm always removing things, whereas a painter starts with a flat canvas, flat piece of paper, and he's doing addition art. He starts with nothing and adds. I start with everything and I subtract. And I think when you see the tracing, you'll see the line effect that I'm trying to get with almost a zebra or a lion tiger, a tiger stripe, if you will, on the actual S. You can see the lines like ocean waves running through the jade. Alright, and there's our Scarpetta, minus a little bit of a wave on the front, which we'll be able to clean up later. I think that's as good as I'm going to get for now without getting too close to the S. I'm going to do the rest with detail soft rigs, a great deal smaller than this one. That's the start of Scarpetta. We got a long way to go. Okay, here's where the fun begins. We're going to start doing some detail carving. Time for the dust buster, and here we go. Check the sparks out. There you go. My kids used to come in when they were babies to see the light show. This is a true saw blade. Again, I don't recommend it to anybody, not even the professionals. I'm one of the very few wacky people that uses this thing to carve with. It just saves me a lot of time. Very dangerous. You know, I've been carving since 1976, and I gotta tell you, I love it just as much today as I did when I first started on it. But I really enjoy carving for a particular person. I like to do custom order work. I'm doing a lot more of that now than I did years and years ago. Okay, there we have it. That is the back of the buckle. Let's hope it turns out. This is what we've been trying to accomplish. And here's what I have. The snake is, the snakes are coral, and the sun is mother of pearl, gold lip, and the turquoise scales with the bar all inlaid turquoise, and an S is jade, and the back is Belgium black marble.
The bone for the buckle back, I've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 small pieces. Piece of 9 gauge actually for the belt loop, but these are just accents. This is going to be a left femur. I did a right femur on a helicopter. About right temperature for 80. Add it in. Go back. Double check. Nice fillet on that because I'm going to be putting rivets through there. And those are done. Light back on. And now I'm just kind of cleaning it up so that it moves right and bends right. Do it with 4 pieces and kind of overlap the sides like that, and then flow 70 and then sand it flat.